Okay, so hello everybody. Our topic this evening is all about the categories of computers. This is a very ano lang, very quick meeting lang so just listen. Our objectives, of course, we're going to identify again the categories of computers, the advantages and disadvantages using computers, and also the data and information. So what are the different categories of computers? First up is we have the personal computers. So I think every one of us, no, kailangan sa ning mga PCs or PC. So these are the computers that most people are familiar with, and they are typically used for a variety of tasks such as browsing the web, checking the emails, creating documents, and playing games. So PCs can either be a desktop computers or a laptop. And if and I really believe that all of you guys have been able to see or have been able to use a computer now because mga millennial na mo or generation Z mo. No? So dili na na siya di mo ignorante ana what a computer is all about. What is a personal computers? And we also have laptop computers. So I think very common, no? A lot of us have seen laptops already. So these are portable computers which integrated components, including a built-in display, battery, and keyboard. So again, laptops are also your personal computer, no? It's a part of your personal. Kaya ikaw raman magamit. And then we also have workstation. So later on, once you graduate na sa inyong pag-IT, then magtrabaho na mo. So you have your workstation. A workstation could have PC or a laptop also. No, pwede na mo sa mga workstation. So these are high performance computers that are designed for demanding tasks like such as scientific computing, video editing, and graphic design. No? So they typically have powerful processors, large amounts of memory, and high resolution displays. So pwede pod naka dual monitors or pwede pod actually ang imong own PC are in dual monitors or high performance pod ang imong own PC. That depends on you. But workstation is also high performance sa mga PCs used pag magtrabaho na mo. Okay, so we also have this what we call servers. No, we're not going to discuss deeper on about all about servers because you have another course on this one on your networking. So you will be also discussing about the server. No, but a server are a very powerful computers that are designed to store and manage data for other computers on a network. So they are often used in businesses and organizations to provide services such as file sharing, email, and web hosting. So servers are also another part and the category of a computer. So that is how it looks like, no? And we also have this what we call mainframes. Mainframes are large, powerful computers that are used by businesses and organizations to process large volumes of data. Okay, large volume of data. And they are often used for tasks such as financial transactions, customer relationship management or CRM, and enterprise resource planning. So those computers are used for mga dagko na mga enterprise businesses no, that can handle large volumes of data. And then we also have this what we call supercomputers. No? So the supercomputers are the most powerful computers in the world. They are used for complex scientific and engineering simulations such as weather forecasting, climate change research, and nuclear weapons design. So ito lang, those are the different categories of a computer. And then we also have again, mo to siya ang supercomputers. Then we have tablets, and I think all of you have seen a tablet, no? And then some of you might have used a tablet. So a tablet is a portable computing device that are typically used for browsing the web, checking your emails, reading books, and watching videos. And they have a touchscreen interface and are typically smaller and than lighter than PCs. So kana siya, no? Kana no nakita dala. A tablet. And we'll not go deeper in that one because kailangan siguro mag-tablet, no? And then gaming consoles, no? For those gamers, they are specialized computers that are designed for playing video games. So kita tong hilig magtula dara, no? They typically have powerful processors and graphics cards, and they are often connected to a TV or a monitor. So for gaming, mga PS4, Xbox, PlayStation, no? Ano sila? Gaming console. And then I think all of us have this, no? Smartphones. I think tanan man jud ta because if we don't have smartphones, then we won't be able to, join the class. So smartphones are mobile devices that can be used to make phone calls, send text messages, browse the web, and run apps, no? So they have a touchscreen interface and are typically very small and lightweight. So smartphones, cell phones, no? Sila ta magkuha na nakakailangan ta. And we also have this one, e-readers. The e-readers are specifically designed for reading ebooks, no? So naay mga yung nana, and they typically have a grayscale e-ink display and is easy on the eyes. But your tablet or your phones can also be an ebook readers, pero kani mga e-readers are designed for ebooks ra gid ni siya, no? For reading ebooks. And then we also have this one, rugged computers, no? So they are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions such as extreme temperatures, shock, vibration, dust, and water. No, rugged computers are often used in industries such as constructions, nagagamit sila ana, manufacturing, and the military. So those are rugged computers. Next, we also have, that's it. So those are the different categories of computers. Again, atong balik ko na para mas atong madumduman. We have the personal PC, personal computers or PCs. We have laptop computer that is also part of the PC. So you can just say personal computer, workstations, servers, mainframe, supercomputers, tablets, gaming consoles, smartphones, e-readers, and rugged computers. Oh, that's it. Very easy, right? Next, data and information. So we need to tackle this first because it's important also that we understand what the data and information is all about, since computer is all about data and information. No? So data is raw and organized facts and figures, and it can be anything from numbers and letters to images and videos. Data on its own has no meaning or context. No, so an example of a data, a student. One example of your data is your name, no, your address, your age, your gender, your blood type, and etc. Information is when the data has been organized and processed and gives a meaningful, in a way that makes it meaningful, that is now your information. That is called the information itself. Now, it is the data that has been interpreted and analyzed to provide insights and knowledge. So example, you have a data of temperature, degrees Fahrenheit na 102, 105, 98. So data siya if wala pa siya na-organize, if wala pa siya na-process. But if it gives a meaningful na, it gives some, if it gives a meaning, then information na siya, no? Information, sample, the average temperature in August is 103 degrees Fahrenheit, no? So, example, a data, you are a student, you have your name, you have your address, and then you have your course na BSIT. So, if I'm going to organize it, just like si kinsa man dere. Just like si Earl, no? Earl is a student of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, or has a course of blah blah blah, or is studying in USTP. So if it gives the information, if it is being processed na, that is now then the information. If wala pa siya na process, then a data, raw, unorganized facts and figures. So very simple, and I think very understandable what a data and information is all about, no? And I think, yeah, very easy lang to understand this topic. And our next topic is the computer advantages and disadvantages. I think from the previous chapters, we have been able to discuss some, and then I think na discuss nato po ang mga overviews no on the key advantages and disadvantages, but we'll discuss more. What are the computer advantages and disadvantages? Of course, for the computer advantages, we all know this now, that speed and accuracy. The computers can perform tasks much faster and more accurately than humans. So as a human, we are prone to errors, inapod, and then we cannot multitask, no? But for computers, they have of course they can perform tasks faster than us, and then they can do things more accurate than us, not than humans. And also computers has versatility, no? Computers can be used for a wide variety of tasks, from browsing the web to creating documents to playing games, no? Versatile, and also it can multitask. Aside sa pag mag-game ka, you can do browsing, you can do playing music, playing videos, and etc. And storage capacity. So computers can store large amount of data. Unlike human, gamay ra nga atong ma-store sa atong mind na malimtan na rin ang pagkaugma. So kita siguro karon gamay ra kay atong makuha na ma-learn, and then mga limot rin ta once the time comes. Pero si computer, for as long as it was not deleted on the on your computer, then ma-store na siya dira hangtod sa kahangturan kung di na siya ma-delete. And then of course, for the connectivity, computers can be connected to each other and to the internet now, which allow people to communicate and share information easily. So of course, it's hard for us to connect with each other. Atong brain i-connect ko ganato para atong ma-transfer atong data sa atong brain to other, no? So that's only computers can do that. Though we can share information through our language, pwede na to, but when it comes to connect na to tong mind, itong i-transfer atong naibalan sa iya, then it's impossible na to na. No? And then accessibility, of course, computers are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible to people all over the world. And actually right now, barato na lang po ang mga phones, no? Mga smartphones. So with just 3,000, 4,000, or 2,000, you could have your smartphone. So accessible, no? Accessible to people all around the world. And educational and entertainment value. So computer advantages also, one of the advantages, education. Because of computers, we were able to do this, no? We're able to do our online learning and entertainment. No, we can watch videos, can listen to music, we can research, learn new skills, watch movies, playing games, etc. So these are just only 6 lang akong gikuha para dili na po kayo taas atong discussion na only 6 key or important computer advantages. And if there are advantages, it's not that there are also disadvantages. What are these disadvantages? Of course, the cost, no? If you'd like a high-end na mga computers, then of course, mas mahal siya. If you'd like na dili kay siya high-end, then mas barato siya, no? So the cost, purchasing and maintaining computer systems can be expensive, and especially for business and organizations. So later on, if if you have your own business, na costly gid siya basta daghan na pud imong paliton, no? But if isa lang, I think ma-afford pa, pero kung daghan na for your business, medyo costly gid siya and you need money, okay? And then dependence, no? Over-reliance on computers can lead to vulnerabilities. System failures or cyber attacks can disrupt operations. So sometimes, ang mga businesses, limta na og mga very dependent na ka ba, wala na yung mga paperworks kay ibutan na sa computer tanan, but always lang nato gid na atay backup, and always nato kuno na there are system failures because it's a computer. And then kani dili mawala, no, health issues. Prolonged computer use can lead to health problems, including eye strain, repetitive strain injuries, and sedentary lifestyle issues. So, kung malintan ni mag-exercise, of course, madaot gid ka. So make sure lang nga dili ka grabe na gid ng 24 hours na lagi ka sa computer or nalagi ka sa imong mobile phone. So always have time to like stop using a computer. Okay, my internet is is unstable. But let's continue. So this is also recorded. This meeting is also recorded. You can just rewatch it later. And then privacy concern. No, for privacy, the collection of and storage of personal data by computers can raise privacy concerns. Muna yung pinaka main issue karon no, kay possible na kawaton atong mga data. So be very careful lang when using different softwares or applications that gets your personal information because hackers nowadays are, na yung mga bad good na mga tao and we cannot stop them because it mo man na lang ganahan. So it's important lang that you always check and verify first before using a software. And then security risk, of course, computers are susceptible to viruses, no? Mo nang naatay mga antiviruses, malware, and hacking, kani siya. And then posing security risks to data and system. Right now, since mao na ang pinaka main issue jud na the privacy, the security, more and more developers are getting into research, no? And then researchers on how we can, para mas secure atong mga applications and then not prone to hacking or anything. And then kanipod, one of the advantage, job displacement, no? So with advanced technology today, pwede na ang imong job jud is mapulihan. So that's why you as a human, you really need to upscale your skills, no? So job displacement, automation, and computerization can lead to job displacement in certain industries, particularly in manual or routine tasks, no? Example, server, no? Right now, kanang mag-serve sa fast food ba? So, naana yung mga gipang develop ng mga AIs to do that. And then, unsa pa jud? Cleaning, no? So, sa pag-clean, possible na a human being, kung napulo mo kabuk kahinlo sa isa ka building, pwede nga tulo na lang because there are AIs na maghinlo ana or etc. or anything that can, displace someone in the job. So, yeah, that's it. So that's really very, small kaya itong topic, no? And then, I hope that you learn about the different computer advantages and the disadvantages, and also quick overview on data information and the different categories of computers. So that's it for our chapter 6. Stop recording.